got namek mee, it's a fried noodle dish, and milk tea. I made it to Cameron Highlands. We're up here in the mountains. It's so much cooler here than in Kuala Lumpur. It's like nice. There's a nice breeze. It's not sweltering hot. I'm not sweating. It's a bit late in the day. It's 3 o'clock, so can't really do much hiking. But my hostel recommended me a short, easy trek to a waterfall. So we're gonna check that out. There are some dark clouds in the distance, so I really hope it doesn't rain. So my first impressions, it's still very touristy. Most of the people on my bus here were tourists, but it's got a nice vibe. It's so chill. It's not like rushing city vibe. This place feels much more local once you get off the main street where the bus terminal is and all the hotels and stuff. So I like that. One problem I have here is everything's all spread out, and having a bike would be certainly helpful. It's cheap, everyone does it here. But of course, I have no license, so we're walking and taxiing and touring. So this is the trailhead for the Robinson Falls hike. It's across this bridge by the animal feeding rainbow garden. Interesting. Let's go. Robinson Falls, Cameron Highlands. So pretty. This sign makes it feel like an adventure. See, this scares me because there's so many low-lying trees here. There's gotta be a spider somewhere. Oh shoot, oh god, oh god, oh god. Ah. Okay, I made it. Malaysia is an extremely biodiverse country, so you've got all types of plants and animals you can find here. So totally that took about an hour there and back if you go at a leisurely pace. So it's about 4:30 now. I went at a really leisurely pace and just chilled for a little bit. Now to figure out what to do tonight. There's a night market here, but it's only open on the weekends, so So this Mossy Forest is like 200 million years old. This forest is considered mega biodiverse, so you can find so many different plants and animals here, specifically plants. And they put this boardwalk in to prevent people stepping on the moss and killing it. Here it's the border between two states that have been found. We're so high in the clouds that it's just a whiteout out there, clouds and mist. It's very pretty. We're 2,000 meters high. like over 6,000 feet. My quest for a pitcher plant. I think I found one. Yeah. Maybe. My camera doesn't like it. They're carnivorous plants.
Nama kau bunga 5 tahun berkenalan tapi kita tak pernah berjumpa.
I finally found it, the real pitcher plant, this stuff, thanks to a guide.
Bertentangan mata dalam diam aku pendam rasa.
If you listen carefully, you can hear gibbons in the distance.
Sejak pertemuan kali pertama kita hanya mimpi saja cara bertemu.
We got our kaya roti, garlic naan, and chicky, and me, and you. You ready for this hike? Yeah. We made it. Okay, now what? Jump. Kill it. Isn't it nice? How's this hike so far? That we just started. Climb the tree. Yeah. Okay, now what? There's a foot here. This is dangerous. Okay. And will appearance you wanted? Yes. Now please. Go spelunking. No.
Rasa itu selalu membunuhku. Aku tunggu di tempat pertama bertemu tanpa ada rasa jemu. Oh bunga.
I fall asleep under the trees.
So this is where the view would be
if
if there weren't clouds. But we made it to the top.
Whispers in the woods, they call to me.
Be careful.
Listen as the wind awakes the leaves.
Time for the sketchy
I
left.
leave the real world far
Straight
behind.
directly down.
As I
Okay, this isn't so bad.
investigate these wilds,
Cheers.
try to slow this chaos in my mind. I can feel the mountains come alive. It feels like my whole life I've been blind. Just a tiny spoke in this wheel of time.